Hi guys, I'm Kier and this is my studio, and today I will be planning for the week of the 17th through the 23rd of February. With a little bit of a twist, this week I am not going to use any kits. I will instead use all these little character stickers that I received from Mochi-Kichi. I hope I pronounced that right, but if I did not, I am truly sorry. I am going to start out by whiting out everything that I don't want to peek through. If you are not familiar with Mochi-Kichi, their shop is definitely big on pastels, and I didn't want the lettering at the bottom to peek through the washi tape because then it would distort their cute little faces. Ooh woo. So I had to make sure I had to protect them by erasing everything at the bottom. And I know a lot of y'all are like, dang, Kiara, with the freaking planet videos. Look, I told y'all they were coming. I gave you a warning, bruh. But I am going to let you know that there is going to be an art video uploaded on Sunday. Matter of fact, it's not only any kind of art video, it will be a marker review. So please stand by for that. I'm just really enjoying the planning life, bruh. Like, it is so peaceful, and yet I still feel creative. So I just love everything about it. But I do miss my girls with attitude. I miss drawing them. So that will be happening on Sunday, that video of me drawing and coloring. And I hope you will stick around to see it. But enough about the future video that, hasn't even been posted yet. We have to go ahead and discuss what's going on in this video. I just put that adorable washi down and some skinny washi from Amazon down. And now I am going to use a sticky note somewhere. Right now I'm playing with it, trying to figure out where I want to put it. While I contemplate that decision, I go ahead and use this Sharpie pen to go ahead and make the lines darker. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. It just depends on my mood, but I decided to do it since I felt like this spread could use just a little bit more something. So I did it for this week. And I know, you guys, I know my lights are still doing that weird strobe light thing. Like I'm in the club. I have no clue why, but I do have new lights in my Amazon cart that will hopefully make this dreadful situation go away. Just waiting for my paycheck and I will get some new lights, okay? We're going to fix this situation. I'm going to use the same skinny washi and run it alongside the dates just to add a little bit of pop of color there because I felt like it was missing something. And once that is done, I will be taking some stickers from the Me and My Big Ideas sticker book, specifically the Supermom one, and I will use those stickers as bullet points because obviously I don't have a kit, so I don't really have any bullet points to work with. There is a few heart stickers that I got from Mochi-Kichi, so I will use those as well, but there wasn't enough to cover as many bullet points as I would like. So that's why I had to bring in the stickers from the Supermom sticker book. I think I love all the sticker books from Me and My Big Ideas, but I would have to say that the Supermom is definitely becoming one of my favorites, if not my favorite. I just love all the icons, and I don't know, I find it very useful. I like the season ones too, but I don't know. It's hard for me to choose which one is my favorite. Do you have a favorite? If you do, let me know, because if I don't have that sticker book, I might just have to go and buy it. Y'all, it's sad out here. I got a problem. I'm definitely addicted to stickers. Is that a thing? If not, it is now. In fact, when I'm having a bad day, I will go and buy some stickers. Shh, don't tell nobody, okay? That's between you and me. Yes, I will break the bank for some stickers if I'm having a bad day. But that's a secret. I struggled with these sticky notes for a hot second. I don't know why, but they were like extra sticky and it was ripping off the cute little faces. So I had to keep tearing until I found a sticky note that I liked. And then I went ahead and used this cheap glue stick, which, did the job, so I'm not going to complain about it. But I used the glue to fully secure the sticky note onto my planner. Just a little disclaimer, I got these stickers last year in a anniversary sale from Mochi-Kichi, so I don't know if they're still in stock. However, a lot of the little character stickers are in her shop, so you will be able to purchase some of these. I know this video is going to go up a lot later than I wanted it to as well. With my Plan With Me videos, I would love for them to go up at the beginning of the week that I'm planning for, because that just makes sense, right? However, I'm recording this voiceover Friday night, so sorry, you'll probably get it Saturday morning. But we're going to work on that. We're going to get our Plan With Me's posted at the beginning of the week and our memory plans / rewind plans posted at the end of the week. I'm just using this sticky note as a little checklist for what I would like to upload on Instagram. And spoiler alert, I couldn't come up with any grand ideas. So it's nothing special right there. Then at the bottom, I'll be tracking my work hours, because some weeks I work almost little to nothing, and other weeks I work like a freaking madman. So I don't know, I think it's good to track what I'm doing and when. This week was honestly a pretty slow week because I mostly just hung out with my boss and ran errands all week long, so there was nothing really to report. I will be using this box here to mark President's Day, excuse me, but when I actually write in it, it's going to say President, no S at the end, day, because I couldn't fit it all in, and hey, sometimes that happens. I don't stress over it personally because it's just a planner. I don't get nitpicky about it. I use this thing to relieve stress, not add stress onto my life. Anyways, I cut down this sticker that was showing the character resting because Sundays are usually my most chill days. So I thought that was perfect to go there. Now that I have all my stickers that I want for this particular spread to be put down, I'm going to go ahead and use my pen. Say it with me. My Muji .38 pen. Love it. I will never get tired of using this pen in the Hobonichi. Anyways, as I am recording this, when I recorded this particular section, it was a Monday. So you're going to see that some things are left blank because that's how I plan. I put down the things that I know I'm going to do, and as the week goes on, I fill in more things that I know I'm going to do. I personally love before the ink spreads, but I also love after the ink, once everything is completely filled out, like no gaps, no spaces, nothing missing. You just got all the words written down. I don't know why, but it's just so aesthetically pleasing to look at a fully written in planner, and I know I'm not the only one. It just feels like a completed piece of artwork, and I'm here for it. But what I'm not here for is the washi that's running down the side of the dates. I don't know. When I first put it down, I thought I liked it, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking I should have used a pink skinny washi instead, just to incorporate some of those light colors that Mochi-Kichi loves to incorporate in their design. I had half the mind to grab my undo and rip that joker off, but just like I said earlier, you know what? It's a planner. It's not something to overthink about. It's just something to make my life easier. So I'm not going to worry about it. Now I just know for future references, maybe to think out colors a little more. And if you are one of my art followers, I know you see that word sketch written on the 20th. So you know it's coming, okay? The art is coming. But these are a few things that on Monday I planned for. But that was Monday. We're going to fast forward till today when everything's all written down. And I thought this was such a cute spread. But then I realized that I have an even cuter spread. And you want to know what that is? That is the memory plan spread that I did for this week. Look how gorgeous it is. It was so experimental, but I love it. I accidentally wrote down the wrong titles for the videos that I wanted to post on YouTube, but I still know what I'm talking about, so I didn't care to wipe them out. Kawaii overload. I know, as you can see, there are blank spaces because I don't know what's going to happen at the end of those days yet. Those days haven't happened yet. So far, this memory spread is my favorite by far. And if you're curious about how I memory plan, then maybe you should go check out one of my videos. But that's it for now. I love you guys, and I'll see you when I see you.